Do you really want to know how to add cool images as overlays on top of your videos? Like stickers, like logos, even watermark. I'll show you exactly how to use images as overlays in CapCut using just your mobile phone. In simple terms, an image overlay is simply an image you place on top of your video. It could be logo, could be a sticker, could be a photo, or anything you want to appear on your video while your video is playing underneath. Image overlay are great for branding, storytelling, or generally making your video look fun and professional. Let's jump into CapCut and start from the scratch. So we open our CapCut app, tap on New Project, and I'll select the video I'm going to use for my project and click Add. Let me play this my video.
You have a mobile phone with internet connection. Congratulations, because I'm going to introduce you to a platform which you can upload videos and earn thousands of dollars. The first on my list is YouTube. YouTube is a free video sharing platform which allows users to watch, comment, like, share, and even upload videos. It was founded in 2005 and is owned by Google.
So I'm going to bring in images to pop up at various points which are mentioning some words just to illustrate how you can use images as overlay. All right, so I want image of a mobile phone to pop up, also an image of internet or anything that represents internet connection. So let me go back to where I mentioned the mobile phone.
You have a mobile phone.
All right, so I want a mobile phone image to pop up here. Tap on overlay, click on add overlay, select the image of a mobile phone from my gallery. So I'll select this and click add. So I have it on my screen. I have to resize it, down onto it and pinch it, and let me say I reposition it in one side of my screen. So let me play again.
You have a mobile phone with internet connection.
I think it came late, so I'll take it forward.
You have a mobile phone.
Right.
You have a mobile phone.
Okay. So that's fine. Next, I'll bring in an image that represents internet connection. Tap on overlay, tap on add overlay, and I'll select this and click add. So I have to resize it. I'll pinch it down and reposition it somewhere else. Let me play and see if it came out properly.
You have a mobile phone with internet connection.
Okay. Next, I want to add a pop sound. Tap on audio, tap on sound. This takes me to the sound gallery. Search for pop and I'll select this one. I'll click this plus sign to add. Next, I want to align my sound with the images, so I'll just hold down to it and drag forward. Let me play it again.
You have a mobile phone with internet connection.
I think it came out nice. Duplicate this sound. I'll tap on it again, scroll down my menu bar, tap on duplicate, and then I'll drag it to where the internet connection icon will come out. So let's play and see.
You have a mobile phone with internet connection.
Okay, I think it came late. I have to hold it down and bring it forward.
You have a mobile phone with internet connection.
I think I still need to bring it a bit forward.
You have a mobile phone with internet connection. Mobile phone, internet connection.
Okay, I think it's fine then. So at this point, you can see when I play my video.
You have a mobile phone, internet connection.
All right. Two images pops up when I mention mobile phone and also internet connection. So let's proceed.
You have a mobile phone, internet connection. Congratulations.
So at the point I said congratulations, my internet connection icon is still on the screen and I don't want that. So I need to trim it. I'll click on this arrow to go back to the beginning of the menu. Tap on my internet connection icon. Tap on it to highlight and gently drag in the handle from behind. So let me see whether it sits properly.
You have a mobile phone, internet connection. Congratulations.
I still need to reduce it, so I'll just highlight it and drag it a little inside. Let me play again.
You have a mobile phone internet connection. Congratulations.
All right, so I think that's fine. So at the point I said congratulations, I need to bring in a sticker that will represent congratulations. So I'll scroll down my menu. I'll tap on sticker. I'll tap OK. So I'll bring it down to the base of my video. I can decide to increase the size. So let me play.
Congratulations.
No, so I need to make it. No, I think it came late. So let me pull it forward. And let me play again.
Connection. Congratulations. Connection. Congratulations.
All right. Let's proceed with our video.
Because I'm going to introduce you to a platform which you can upload videos and earn thousands of dollars.
Now I need to get a sticker or an image that represents money since I mentioned thousands of dollars. Tap on sticker. So I'll select this, have it on my, click OK. So let me zoom in and let me play.
Upload videos and earn thousands of dollars. The first on my list.
Okay, I think it came late, so let me drag it forward and play.
Yes, and earn thousands of dollars.
Okay.
The first on my list is YouTube.
All right, so I think it's a bit longer, so I need to resize it by dragging the handle behind. And let me play again.
Yes, and earn thousands of dollars. The first on my list is YouTube.
I still need to drag it in.
And earn thousands of dollars. You can upload videos and earn thousands of dollars. The first on my list.
All right. So let's continue with our video.
And earn thousands of dollars. The first on my list is YouTube.
All right. So the place I mentioned YouTube, I have to bring in a logo of YouTube. So same process of adding an overlay. Tap on overlay. Tap on add overlay. And select the YouTube icon and click add. To resize it, I will select it and pinch it down to somewhere like this. So let me play and see how it looks like.
Earn thousands of dollars. The first on my list.
I think it came earlier, so I'll just hold it and drag it back and play again.
And earn thousands of dollars. The first on my list is YouTube.
I think it came earlier, so I'll hold it down, drag it back again.
The first on my list is YouTube.
Right. So now that I have the YouTube logo on the screen, I need to get a sticker that will point on the YouTube logo to lay more emphasis. Tap on sticker, select sticker, and select this one. So I have it on my screen. I need to reposition it. So I'll just drag it and then resize it a little and bring it here closer to the YouTube logo. Click OK. So let me see what happens.
First on my list is YouTube.
It came late, so I need to drag it forward. So I'll just hold down and drag it forward.
On my list is YouTube.
Fine. So I think I need to bring it on top of the YouTube logo. So I'll just tap on it to highlight and bring it up here. So let me play finally and see.
This is YouTube.
Then I need to add sound at this point. On audio, click on sound, select a pop sound. I'll select this. I'll click add. Let me play and see if it aligns.
YouTube. YouTube is a free.
Okay, I think it's late, so I'll just hold down to it and drag it forward. I play again.
First on my list is YouTube.
Okay, I think it's fine.
My list is YouTube.
Okay, so let's continue our video.
My list is YouTube. YouTube is a free video sharing platform.
So I want the YouTube logo to stay on the screen as long as tap on the YouTube icon, and I will gently drag the handle behind and let me play and see if it stays as long as I want.
On my list is YouTube. YouTube is a free video sharing platform which allows you.
Okay, so also I want my sticker to stay the same duration as the YouTube logo. So I'll go back to the beginning of my menu, tap on sticker to reveal the sticker. So here I have it. So I'll just tap on it and drag it a bit longer. Oh, I think it's too much. So now let me play and see if it's okay.
The first on my list is YouTube. YouTube is a free video sharing platform.
So let's continue with our video.
Allow users to watch, comment, like, share, and even upload videos.
Alright, so I need to bring in icons that represent watch, comment, like, share, and upload. So we take the same process. I tap on overlay, tap on add overlay, and I'll select the icon that represents watch. So I think I should pick this one. And then I will resize it and keep it this way. The next icon I'm going to bring in will be that of comment. So the same process, click on add overlay, select the icon that represents comments, click add, resize it, and keep it on one side of the screen. The next icon I'm going to bring in is the one for like. Click add overlay, click on like, and then resize it, put it somewhere here. Next one, I have to bring in the one for share. So I'll click on add overlay, click on this, that represents sharing. I'll resize it and put it this way. Next, I'll bring in an icon that represents upload. So I'll tap on add overlay, click on upload, click on add. So I'll pinch it down to resize, and I have it here. So let me play so that I can arrange them properly.
Sharing platform which allow users to watch, comment.
Okay, I want watch to come out first. I'm going to shift the rest backward. So let me play.
Which allow users to watch.
I need to pull it a step forward.
Watch, comment, like.
Okay, so I have
To watch, comment.
Next, it will be comment. So I'll just pull it forward. Let me play and see.
To watch, comment, like.
I need to pull comments forward.
To watch, comment.
Next is like. So I need to bring the like forward. Let me see.
Comment, like, share, and even upload video. Comment, like, share, and even upload.
Next is share. So I need to bring the share forward.
Like, share, and even upload video.
I think I need to still put share forward a bit.
Comment, like, share, and even upload.
Okay, so then lastly, I'll drag the upload forward. So I'll just hold on to it, drag it forward, and let me see if it syncs.
Share and even upload videos.
No, upload came late, so I'll take it forward again.
Like, share, and even upload videos.
Okay.
YouTube is a free video sharing platform. which allow users to watch, comment, like, share, and even upload videos. Platform, which allow users to watch, comment, like, share, and even upload videos.
Alright, next, I need to add sound to this my video to make it more engaging. Tap on audio again, on sound. I'll still select my pop sound on this to add. Now let me see whether it syncs with the images.
Allow users to watch, comment.
Oh, it came late, so I'll hold on to it and drag forward. Let me play.
Which allow users to watch.
Now it came earlier.
Allow users to watch, comment.
Okay, so I think I've gotten it. So I'll just split it. I'll delete the other part that I don't want. Let me play again.
To watch.
All right, so I have to duplicate this so that I'll use it for the next image, which is comment. So I'll select it, scroll down my menu bar, tap on duplicate. Okay, so let me see whether it stays where I want it to.
Watch, comment, like.
Okay, I still need to duplicate this for the next image, which is like. So I'll tap on it, repeat the same process, scroll down my menu bar, tap on duplicate. Let me see whether it stays where I want it to.
To watch, comment, like, share, and even.
Okay, so let me also duplicate it for share image. So let me play and see if everything syncs.
To watch, comment, like, share, and upload video.
I think this came late. I need to pull it down and reset it well. Let me see.
Comment, like, share, and even upload video. Just to watch, comment, like, share, and even upload videos.
Okay, I need to still duplicate it for the next image. So I'll tap on it, scroll down, duplicate. So let me play finally.
Allow users to watch, comment, like, share, and even upload videos. It was founded in 2005.
So at this point, I also need to bring in an icon that represents 2005. So the same format, I'll tap on add overlay, then I'll select this and click add. So same method, I'm going to pinch it down and drag it to the base of my screen. So let me reduce the size. All right, so I also have to decrease the length, so I'll just drag the length down.
In 2005.
All right.
Owned by Google.
Then I need to bring in an image that represents Google. So the same format, tap on overlay, select the Google icon and click on add. So I have to resize it, so I'll just pinch it down to, I'll position it in one corner of my screen. I need to also reduce the length, so I'll drag the handle backward. Do you have a mobile phone with internet connection? Congratulations, because I'm going to introduce you to a platform which you can upload videos and earn thousands of dollars. The first on my list is YouTube. YouTube is a free video sharing platform which allows users to watch, comment, like, share, and even upload videos. It was founded in 2005 and it's owned by Google. And that's it, guys. And I believe now that you know how to use images as overlays in CapCut to make your videos more engaging. If you found this video very helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more CapCut editing tips. And also check out my other videos on how to add text and animate images. The link is up here. Thanks for watching.